Hello students, this is Amina Sheikh, your English teacher. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn a new poem and the name of the poem is On the Water. In this poem, the poet is having a ride on his boat and he is describing a boat ride. So students, let me read this poem to you. On the water. In our little boat to glide on the water blue and wide, while the sky is smooth and bright, what would give us more delight? See the ripples how they run, twinkling brightly in the sun. While reflected we can see shadows of each hill and tree. See the lilies, round and large, floating near the reedy marge, where the bulrush has its place and the heavy water maze. See the great green dragonfly and the shallow skimming by. See the fishes spring and gleam ere they splash into the stream. See the bright kingfisher too, dart a gleam of green and blue. These are all around our boat on the water whilst we float. So student, let me explain this poem to you. The poet says that he is moving slowly in the boat on a blue water and a sky is smooth and bright. A question rises in the poet's mind that what would give us more delight? So student, the poet says us to observe the ripples in the water. Ripples means little waves on the surface of the water which are twinkling brightly in the sun. The poet also asks that he can see the shadows of hill and tree in the water. Moving on to the third stanza, the poet says that see the lilies which are round and large, which are floating near the edges of the water where the bulrush and water maze are floating. The poet says that he can see the big green dragonfly and the small bird shallow which goes skimming into the water. The poet also says that he can also see the fishes spring out, reflecting the sunlight before they splash into the stream. The poet says that the bright kingfisher, green and blue, can also be seen darting here and there. All these insects, birds and plants are around the boat while the poet is floating on the water. We will learn the meaning of the difficult word from the poem. Glide means move slowly and smoothly over a surface. Ripples means little waves on the surface of water. Reedy marge means water edges where tall grasses grow. Bulrush or water maze means wet grassland or grass-like plants. Skimming means moving by quickly. Gleam means reflection of light from the shiny and a clean surface. Era means before. Dart means move suddenly and rapidly. So students, I think so you all like this poem very much. Goodbye everybody and take care. And don't forget to subscribe my channel Learn English.